The EGO Power Plus, Makita or Sun Joe? Perhaps the Greenworks or the Honda? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 self-propelled lawnmowers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best self-propelled lawnmowers. The 5th product on this list is the Sun Joe X2-21LMSP. Taking care of your lawn can be tedious, not to mention an important one you can't avoid. When you cut your grass, the most vigorous shoots will grow and the weaker ones will be left behind, making it a constant job. So when it comes to completing this weekly routine, you'll be happy to know the Sun Joe will be your reliable companion. Most, if not all, Sun Joe hanger products are a big hit, and this self-propelled lawnmower is no exception. In fact, it is the only self-propelled model with a massive 1100-watt brushless powerful motor, so you can expect powerful performance when compared to other electric models. Not only that, but this self-propelled lawnmower has a large 13.2-gallon collection bag that easily accommodates a larger load of cut grass. Aside from that, this lawnmower has a handy lever that allows you to adjust the height between 7 settings, ranging from 1.2 to 3.5 inches, making it an excellent choice for Bermuda and other types of grass. It also has a 20-inch mowing width and easy glide wheels for superior mobility in residential, larger, and flat lawns. On top of all these amazing features, this lawnmower is compatible with the Sun Joe 4.0 AH lithium-ion battery, which, when fully charged, allows you to use the mower for up to 25 minutes, just enough time to restore your lawn to its former glory. It also has a dual-port charger that can quickly power up 2 batteries at once in just under 2 hours. Its pros are, its brushless motor is designed for efficiency, giving you maximum motor performance and a long motor life. Its tough steel blade cuts a 21-inch wide path in a single pass, ensuring an even cut every time, and it's straightforward to put together, so you'll be able to use it right away. However, its charger doesn't have overcharging protection, so you need to keep an eye on it while using it. The Sun Joe X2-21LMSP is a self-propelled lawnmower that will help you get the most out of your lawn. It's the best option if you want to save time and effort while caring for your grass. Up next in 4th place is the Honda 663-020. Honda has been producing dependable small gasoline engines for decades. Their well-earned reputation is built on innovation, quality, thoughtful engineering, and value, and the Honda 663-020 exemplifies this. This self-propelled gas-powered lawnmower is powered by a 4-stroke 166cc Honda GCV170 engine, which sends a lot of torque down the dual cutting blades on the 21-inch cutting deck. The deck can also be easily adjusted to a depth of 1 inch and a height of 4 inches. The dual blades effectively create 4 distinct cutting surfaces to maximize harvest rate. When compared to single cutting blade lawnmowers, it also helps to reduce vibration. This mower features Honda's patented Smart Drive, which allows you to easily adjust the mower speed to closely match your own walking pace. It allows the mower to reach a top speed of 4 miles per hour. What's more, this is a true 3-in-1 gas-powered lawnmower. It can be set up for side discharge right out of the box, and the dual cutting blades outperform many traditional single mulching blades. When used as a mulcher, it literally purees the grass clippings into tiny pieces that decompose into your turf without becoming dry choking thatch. Additionally, this product is surprisingly simple to use. Yes, you must perform seasonal oil changes as well as the general maintenance required of all gasoline engines. Nonetheless, Honda made every effort to minimize the labor and make the instructions in the owner's manual easy to read. Its pros are, it efficiently adapts the mowing speed to match your stride for ultimate comfort, it has 5 adjustable positions for user comfort, and it has 2 cutting blades for maximum harvest. However, its blades might be hard to sharpen yourself. The Honda 663-020 is a user-friendly self-propelled lawnmower that can create even and consistent results on the grass to ensure your yard looks neat and tidy. Still haven't found a self-propelled lawnmower that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Greenworks 40V. People say that time is gold, which is right, and you don't want to spend your whole Saturday afternoon taking care of your lawn. Good thing there's Greenworks 40V. a great way to save time and get things done quickly and easily. Many people would describe this lawnmower as a total modern innovation. It is dedicated to doing much more than simply cutting the grass because everything in this day and age requires a dual function. This lawnmower not only has a precise and clean cut, but it can also charge your smartphone and tablet. It has a 3-in-1 function and 7 easily adjustable cutting heights, allowing you to cut your lawn the way you want. If that isn't enough, the PowerShare batteries can be used across the Greenworks range, which includes more than 50 other tools. If you are already a fan of Greenworks, this is another tool to add to your toolkit. If not, it may be worthwhile to switch to Greenworks. This lawnmower has a self-propelled drive that makes moving around the yard much easier, even if you have limited mobility or strength. The mower's Smart Pace feature, which adjusts the self-propelled drive to your specific walking pace, makes the entire experience much more comfortable and tailored. On top of all these benefits, you'd love that this mower provides a smooth and quiet experience thanks to a brushless motor and various convenient features that make mowing a breeze. Its pros are, it provides up to 70 minutes of runtime on 2 fully charged batteries, it's virtually maintenance-free with no gas, no oil, and no emissions, and its brushless motor provides more torque, is noiseless, and has a longer life. However, it has no roller, making it harder to get that perfect striped lawn look. The Greenworks 40V is a versatile self-propelled lawnmower that can stand up to the challenge and won't falter. It's the best option if you need a tool that will allow you to choose how you want to cut your lawn. The second product on this list is the EGO Power Self-Propelled. When looking for a self-propelled lawnmower for your front yard, durability is an essential factor to consider, and the EGO Power Self-Propelled is an excellent choice. This mower is built to last in all weather conditions, so you can count on it no matter what. It outperforms any gas option in terms of convenience because it does not require fuel, produces no exhaust, and requires minimal maintenance. With its extended runtime, quick charge time, polished dual-blade cutting, excellent mulching ability, and user-friendly interface, this cordless mower stands out from the crowd. In terms of charging, this self-propelled lawnmower is compatible with all EGO Power ARC lithium batteries, which is a massive benefit if you already own other EGO tools. It employs the most advanced patented 56V ARC lithium battery technology in the industry, which provides intelligent power management and an innovative design to prevent overheating. You'll also appreciate how quiet this machine is, which is a big plus because no one wants a tool that can wake up the entire neighborhood. What's more, the whole mower folds down for compact storage despite having a large cut area of 21 inches. On top of that, this lawnmower comes with a 2-bushel grass collection bag that is easy to empty and reattach, as well as a handlebar with 3 position levels, so you can find the most comfortable for you, making it ideal for ongoing use. Its pros are, it can offer up to 65 minutes of runtime on a single charge when used with the 2 included lithium batteries. It has a quick and easy push-button start, and it comes with a 5-year tool warranty coverage. However, its front wheels do not turn 360 degrees. If you're tired of the noise and hassle of a gas lawnmower, or if you're concerned about cables cluttering up your lawn while mowing, the EGO Power Self-Propelled is the perfect solution for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top self-propelled lawnmower is Makita XML08Z. Makita is a well-known power tool brand that has confidently expanded its presence into the world of lawnmowers and yard equipment, and Makita XML08Z brushless is undoubtedly the best for this type of task. It is powered by 2 18-volt batteries and has a 36-volt brushless electric motor. It also has 2 extra battery ports, which increases overall runtime. For someone who is loyal to the Makita brand and already has their popular 18-volt batteries on hand, it can be a great money saver. This product can cut about a 1/4 acre of lawn on a single charge. It can cut up to 1/2 acre of lawn on a single charge if 4 batteries are installed. Its system employs cutting-edge star protection computer controls. This sophisticated monitoring system optimizes battery performance and prevents overcharging and over-discharging issues. What's more, it has a 21-inch cutting blade that can reach speeds of up to 2,800 RPM at its peak performance. It also features a special quiet mode that reduces the RPMs to a manageable 2,300 and maximizes the already low-noise brushless electric motor. Finally, this lawnmower has Extreme Protection Technology XPT, a protective seal in the internal housing. It's designed to keep water and dust away from sensitive components, allowing it to operate in harsh conditions. Overall, this is the ultimate tool to rely on for your lawn mowing needs. Its pros are: it's IPX4 weather resistant for durability and long life. Its XPT internal engineering also protects your investment against chronic dust and pollen problems. It can be installed with 2 additional 18-volt batteries to extend the runtime, and it comes with hand control safety features. However, its batteries need to be bought separately. The Makita XML08Z self-propelled lawnmower is a welcome solution for efficient grass cutting. It's ideal for all types of yards and homeowners. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.